rocking YouTube? It's me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickups, that sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sticker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so this is my second upload of the day, or first, depending on when you see it. I actually did the Kobe 6 Pro Trolls Total Orange. If you haven't gonna see that, go check that out. So yeah, I'm probably gonna upload that one first. So yeah, this is my second review of the day. So yeah, banger after banger after banger. I told y'all when I got back from my trip from Europe, not just Europe. In the last month, I have been in 3 continents. 3 weeks ago I was in Asia, because I went to Japan. A week after that, I came back home to North America because I had to go to New York. And then last week, I was in Europe, so I had to go to Paris. So it's been a crazy 4 weeks, but I'm back, and I'm back doing what I love, and that's giving y'all some content. So I ain't even gonna talk too much. Sorry if the light kind of dark right now. Just how my room is right now. But gonna go get the shoe, give y'all that early review. Then I'm gonna come back, give y'all some information about that shoe, and then we're gonna wrap it up. So stay tuned for that, and enjoy. Okay, we got the standard black Jordan box lid with the red Jumpman in the center. Flip this down. Elephant print on the bottom of the box going around it. Description is white, silver, what's that? White metallic silver white, excuse me. Got a brain fart right there. Size 8.5. This is my size, but I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna get this shoe. This is definitely a drop for me. Y'all gonna see why. Just not something I like. But all right, let's get the shoe out. 1, 2. Elephant print wrapping paper also. All right, put this back in there. Put the lid back on. Boom. Set this up. Right there. All right, so 1, 2. And so without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money. Boom. Okay, so we got the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money. Right now, right off top, I don't like the shoe. All white leather. See the elephant print going on the back near the heel. Jumpman on the back and air. All white. Outer sole Jordan on the underfoot in gray. See the metallic silver eyelets right there. Metallic silver Jumpman on the tongue. You see the laces with some type of grayish print on it, design. Yeah, I mean, got that shimmer, silver, whitish look on the midsole. Same thing on for other shoe. I'm just not a fan of this shoe. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't like. They were the air bubble unit right there. 1, I don't like Air Jordan 3s, and 2, I don't like all white shoes. Just like I don't like all black shoes, but I would prefer an all black shoe over all white shoe. I just see this turning yellow so quickly. I know y'all probably love it, and y'all went crazy in 2000. I forgot when the last time these dropped, but this is a re-release. But that's all I really got to say. Let's give you some information. Whew, okay. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed that detailed look at the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money 2025 edition. I got some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit, like I always do. Shout out Sneaker Bar Detroit. They always come in clutch with that good sneaker information, and it's going to be up in 3, 2, 1. Should be up right now. You can read along with me. Air Jordan 3 Pure Money returns July 2025, just like the Kobe's. The Air Jordan 3 Pure Money is set to make a highly anticipated return in summer 2025. First introduced in 2007, this iconic sneakers quickly gained popularity for its clean and minimalist design. Featuring an all-white upper with silver accents, the Pure Money colorway remains a timeless favorite among Air Jordan fans. After nearly 2 decades, the Pure Money 3s are back, including the beloved Pure Money embryo on the insole of the heels tabs. I don't think I got that for y'all to see. I apologize. I didn't even know that. I didn't know to look for that. This 2025 edition stays true to the original design, features premium white tumbled leather on upper, metallic silver details on the eyelets, Jumpman logo and heel tab adds subtle flair. The signature elephant print on the toe and heel provides texture, giving the sneaker its distinct look. The retro release aims to capture the essence of the original, appealing to both longtime fans and newer sneaker enthusiasts. Air Jordan 3 Per Money 2025 release date is going to be available on July the 5th. So that's about 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks. I think that might be a... No, that's not next week. Huh. No, you know what? It might be next week. I don't know. It might be 2 weeks. I gotta look at the calendar. For $205 price tag. Yep. For those looking to add a timeless classic to their collection, the Per Money Jordan 3 offers the perfect blend of style and nostalgia. Don't miss your chance to grab these. So these are $205 price tag, and July the 5th is the release date. There goes some more pictures for it. I didn't even see the dollar sign embryo inside. I completely missed that. I don't even see that on... Where's that, though? I don't even see it on these pictures they got. Detailed pictures. I go look at it tomorrow. It don't matter. All right, that's enough pictures. Wrap it up. Okay, so right off top, I'm telling you right now, this is definitely a drop for me. I am not a reseller. I do get rid of some shoes that I had for a while that I'm just like not gonna wear no more. But I don't deliberately go to the store to buy a shoe to resell it. That's just never been my thing. Not knocking nobody hustle. I have done things to get money, so I'm not knocking nobody hustle. That's just not my flair. That's not my style. I just don't like the idea of taking... Oh, okay. I didn't even know I could do that. Wow. I just paused the video. Did not even know I could do that. That must be a new feature added to the... That's crazy. I did not know you could do that. Anyway, I paused the video for a second. But anyway, like I was saying, I don't like the idea of taking away a sneaker from someone that actually want the shoe. But these days, you don't even know because everybody resells it. So, definitely a drop for me. One, I don't like Jordan 3s. I think I only like maybe 2 or 3 Jordan 3s. The black cements. I can't really think of the fire red 3s. I can't even think off the top of my mind. But there's not too many 3s I like. And just this color, this all white color. First of all, this shoe's gonna turn yellow, right? Most white shoes turn yellow over time. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of this shoe. But I'm not trying to talk y'all out of it. If you like it, I love it. Buy what you like. Y'all tell me in the comments below if this is a copper drop for you. But like I said, y'all know what it is for me. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, show me your host, Tune, your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks. And the whole Tune Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.